Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials. Log into your EA account on a browser and check your email and password. Once done, make sure your console or PC account is linked to the same EA ID and that billing information is current. If you see an account suspension, note the reason and any dates. You do this because mismatched links or billing holds cause most access denials. Fixing them now saves time later and unlocks the next troubleshooting steps. Once your basics are verified, unlink the platform account and relink it from the EA account settings to force a fresh authorization. This often resolves token or permission mismatches. Next, clear the EA app or origin cache and reinstall the client so corrupted local data won't block access. Make sure two-factor authentication is set correctly and that your account region matches the store region. These mid-level steps address the frequent. You finish by collecting key evidence: your EA email, EID, platform ID, recent transaction ID, and exact error text or screenshots. Contact EA help via chat, provide those details, and request a targeted account review or escalation if their first response doesn't work. While waiting, try a temporary workaround like a different device, a wired connection, or a guest profile to confirm the issue is account-specific. If problems persist, note this tip. Check family sharing, region locks, and console storefront holds as a common hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.